Coming up next, I'm going to show you how to make these bourbon peach glaze wings in an air fryer, and they are incredible. I'm going to use my New Wave air fryer to make these wings, and I really love the way that this thing does with wings. It's just perfect for them. Let's go ahead and preheat this guy up to 400 degrees, and that'll take somewhere around 5-6 minutes. Now let's get started on the flavor of these wings. We're going to use 1 cup of peach reserves, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 garlic clove minced. Then we're going to go ahead and add about a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of canola oil. It has a little bit higher smoke point than some of the others, but you could use virgin olive oil as well. Here's the star of the show. Gentleman Jack, we're going to use 2 tablespoons. Now, if you want to turn the heat up on these guys a little bit, use some crushed red pepper or some chili powder or whatever you'd like, hot sauce even, and that'll bring that heat level where you want it. Over medium-low heat, we're going to go ahead and let this simmer, and now we're going to go ahead and get our wings prepped. If you can buy wingettes, it might be easier and better option for you. They didn't have any for me, so I'm going to go ahead and get these guys separated, and I'm just separating the wing from the drumstick and then taking off the wing tip. Now this takes a little bit of practice to know right where to cut them to get them to separate nice and cleanly. So if you mess them up a little bit, it's not a big deal. We're going to go ahead and use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and about 2 tablespoons of water. And we're going to add that to our sauce. It's going to help the sauce thicken up a little bit as well as helping it bind to the chicken itself. I'm going to stir that in and continue to let it simmer just a little bit. I'm going to turn the heat almost off, just on a simmer. These air fryers can be, quite a pain to clean, so I really suggest using some cooking spray. I use canola oil cooking spray and coat the pan that you're putting the wings in really well. It'll help make cleanup a lot easier. We're going to put our wings into the cooking tray, making sure that they don't touch each other. You'll be able to get good heat all the way around since they're on the wire tray. But if you let them touch, they're not going to cook as evenly, and they're just not going to turn out to be as good. Again, regardless of how many wings you're cooking, do them in batches. Don't let them touch. You're going to come out with much better wings. Let's go ahead and stick them in the air fryer. We're going to go at 400 degrees, and then we're going to go for about, let's say 8-9 minutes, and we'll pull them out and sauce them. Now I'm just using the same sauce that we glazed them with originally and just kind of brushing it on. We're We're going to put these wings back in here for about another 8-9 minutes. I suggest you use some sort of thermometer, thermopen, to make sure your temperatures are 170 to about 180. That's when wings are really in their prime and come out really juicy and very tasty and crispy. And for me, I'm a blue cheese guy, so this is going to be absolutely amazing with these beautiful wings with some blue cheese. Delicious. All right, let me go ahead and try one of these guys. I'm gonna dip it in some blue cheese. Oh yeah, so juicy, pulled right off the bone. Just absolutely phenomenal wings. But now I really want to taste this sauce we made. So I'm gonna eat one without any blue cheese and see how it comes out. Oh man, those flavors come together really well with the bourbon and the peach. It just, and the pop of the pepper. These things are out of this world.